Computer, chapter number 6, more on PowerPoint 2016. Okay, so I want all of you to keep your textbooks with you while you're watching this video. Page number 61. Over here, the first point we have, PowerPoint has many objects such as pictures, shapes, smart art, screenshots, sounds and videos. Okay, so these are the objects that we have in PowerPoint. Just underline that. Okay, this is the first point. PowerPoint has many objects such as pictures, shapes, smart art, screenshots, sounds and videos that you can add to your slides. Okay, so these are the things that you can add to your slides. Now, you can also add animations and different kinds of transitions. You might have seen that in slides, the moving texts are there. Okay, you have seen how the slides move. You can give background sounds to it. Okay, so this is all possible when you're working with PowerPoint. Okay, here we have the first topic, that is duplicating and reusing slides. So, how we are going to use the slides? Okay, suppose we are working on a bulk of slides. That is, you are going to have some project or presentation. Then you need to keep the text size, the content, the flow of the page with the same pattern. So when you're working on certain things, you need to give all those things as same on every slide. Okay, so what you can do, you can go for the option duplicate slide. This duplicate slide option will help you to keep the things same as it is. Okay, I'll show you the practical how we are going to work. We are going to open PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint 2016. You can either open it in your mobile app or you can go for your desktop. Okay. Now over here, when you open the first screen, we have it like this. Okay. From there, we are clicking on the first one, that is blank presentation. The blank presentation, the first screen that you have will be a white blank screen. Okay. So you can go for new slide from here, which will allow you for different styles of your presenting. Okay, if you have certain contents, you can go for tile and content, that will divide your screen accordingly. Okay, if you want to give for two images, then you can go for two contents. Okay, this will help you to distribute your screen as per your choice. So any of these options you can select for the contents. Okay, similarly you have the reuse slide. Reuse slide option allows you for reusing the slide. Suppose I am writing on my first page, on my first slide, I am giving the content as computer. Okay, below that chapter number 6, more on PowerPoint 2016. Okay, so suppose this is my first slide. Now I want to change the view of the slide, like I want some background for it. Okay, so for background you can go for the option design. Click on design and select any of the background that you like. Okay, this will give the particular effect to your content. So now if you want to duplicate this, select on the slide and click on duplicate. That will give you the same content as it is. That is what we do as Ctrl+C copy. The same thing will be done. Okay, or the next thing that you can do is, you can select it, okay, and go for reuse. So how you can go for reuse? Select the content and duplicate, or right click on the content using your mouse. You can right click on the content and go for the option that you want. Okay, so duplicate or reuse, or come to home, select new slide. Below that you have reuse slides. This is also possible. Okay, so this is how you are working with the duplicating and reusing of slides. The next thing that we just did was about changing the background of the slides. So how we are going to change? You can click on the design tab. Okay, this will help you to select any of the background colors that you want. You can even go for solid colors like selecting format background. Okay, go for solid fill and you can select any single color that you want without any effect. Like this. This is also possible. Okay, so these are the topics that we discussed. The first one we did about duplicating and reusing slides. Okay, and then we discussed about how we can change the background of the slides. Clear? Okay, so I want all of you to read this chapter till here. That is the first topic that we completed today. Okay, and the remaining part we'll do in our next class. Okay, so till then, all of you take care. God bless you.